Welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. We are going to draw the Mandalorian helmet.
We're going to draw the Mandalorian helmet?
Uh-huh.
Are you excited? What happened to your eye?
I hit it in PE.
You hit it in PE on the ground? So you need a Mandalorian helmet to protect that, huh? All right. We're going to draw a Mandalorian helmet. This is going to be really fun. What do you like most about the Mandalorian?
Baby Yoda.
Baby Yoda? Is the Mandalorian pretty cool? Awesome. Thanks for joining us, and here's a Mandalorian helmet. Okay, everybody, we got our Sharpies in hand, and we're ready to draw the Mandalorian helmet. Okay, buddy, I'm gonna draw this helmet kind of in this area, right here, and you follow along. We'll start at the top, and we'll go down. Kind of like a waterfall. Good. Now we're gonna do a slight angle, like so. And then a straight over line like that. Okay. Now we're gonna draw this angle up here for the bottom of the helmet. It's gonna go up like that. Good job. Now we're going to connect, actually a little more, let's do a little further, and then we'll connect that. Slowly bring it to a curve and connect. Awesome, looking good, right? So right here we're going to draw the eye. It's going to kind of start right about here. Kind of curve it up. Good job. And we'll do a slight down angle. And this angle is going to connect to this point. See that? So bring it down right to that point. Okay. We'll draw from this point up. And connect it over here to this guy. Kind of see that taking shape, right? Okay. And he has, the Mandalorian helmet has this kind of curved thing coming down. I'm not sure what you'd call it, but it's a design. Bring it down, stop. Angle, over, angle. Good. And then we're gonna bring this, kind of follow the curve of the helmet to the top. So we'll go up and connect to the top. Good job. Now on this edge there's kind of a rounded shape. Let's find out what that is. It's kind of going up and over. And bring it down. Angle. Up. Angle. It's got a fun shape like this. Kind of a big, skinny rainbow. And then another.
And an arch.
An arch, yeah. Good word. Okay. And a little rectangle underneath. And a little square. Fun little details, huh? Good job. And then the edge right here will be coming straight down to the bottom of the helmet. And another one to the bottom of the helmet like so. Cool. All right, now we've got his helmet chin mark right here where it kind of curves up. So we're gonna curve down and leave a little gap right at the bottom there. And then right here we're going to come straight down. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Come down to the bottom of the helmet. Alright, and this has a little angle. Kind of like that. And this point connects Now this is going to connect like that. Good. Nice job, dude. It's looking great. Okay, so his other side, he has another one that kind of goes up. And then bring it down to a point. Those curves are kind of hard, but important because that really sets the Mandalorian apart. Now the Mandalorian has a couple of lines, so we're going to start where this angle, and we're going to bring it to the edge, so like this. And then the same thing, but this is going to be a bigger one, so slowly bring it over to the edge of the helmet like that. Good job. And another one, see this angle right here? Right there, we're going to bring it over slowly. And another one slowly to the edge of the helmet. Good. Now this curved piece has kind of this another one just inside, so we'll just.
But instead it's a rectangle.
It's kind of a rectangle. Good. Over and then up again to the top of the helmet. There you go. Alrighty, I think we've got the main pieces done. There's going to be a couple of reflections here, and we'll color those in. So, should we color this Mandalorian part black right here?
Huh?
Okay. Ready? Let's go.